bar, Scott.
We are putting on the last bolt.
With our sway bar bracket.
Bracket.
Nice. This will go back on the car once the rest of the stuff's on, the springs and the shocks and everything.
Yep.
So for right now, there we go. Just kind of getting them on there, getting that ready. And then, yeah, onto the BJs.
He said BJ.
You know what? I'll just transition right to the BJs. Because
I know, everybody's shocked on that one.
eBay.
eBay.
Yeah, with Scotty? Yeah. Shocked. Alright. So here is our upper arms, lower arms, other lower arm over there. Burns these old ladies in the house! Whoop whoop! Anyway. So, all the arms are back. All the bushings are pressed. And we had the discussion. These were looser.
Oh, come on, that's perfect. Dude, really? I thought everybody liked a loosey-goosey BJ.
Oh, yeah. No, that's a sloppy, wet, sloppy BJ. That's different. So, obviously, this being the replacement, this no bueno. This bueno. This no bueno.
Throw that to me, the new one. Okay, so, slap yours around silly.
Oh, yeah. Much better. And that's greased.
Unlike those.
Yes. Damn, athlete.
I know.
Not you. You're the winner of the cock gymnastics. Is there a 1 behind that 5? Ooh. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. What are you gonna do, Vogue? Come go. Strike a pose, Vogue. It's all the same shit.
Jazz hands.
You've had jizz hands.
I've had that on my hands too. What can I say?
Hey, you're RGE. Sounds good. Fire up the other half.
Right?
Anyway.
Okay, so back to the BJs.
Yeah, so we're going to be replacing this chit for new Moog goodness. These are going to come out and get replaced with new Moog goodness. And then the arms can go back together.
Trying to figure out what is going to be the easiest way to do some of this stuff to put it back.
Well, springs got to go in first.
Right.
Springs, and then shocks, and then bar.
Bar, huh? What? Who's got alcohol?
That's later.
Okay,
All
so
right.
this is done then, or
Sway
at least
bar's
prepped. Let me rephrase that.
Sway bar's prepped.
Yep.
Sway bar's prepped.
I'll pick up all the nuts.
You're going to pick up your nut.
Oh.
Speaking of nut picking up.
Nuts! I got nuts!
Hey,
I-
Bernsey, hold that up. Hold that up. Are you holding your nut sack? Woo! Inappropriate video!
Wait a minute, he's got more than me now.
Yeah,
That's
you only
not
got
right.
3. He's got 10.
12.
12?
Damn, you
From what I know, my wife's in the house, so I would really appreciate it if you didn't talk like that in front of her.
Hey, wait, your windows are up. Was your air working?
My AC is working.
Did you find your vacuum thing?
Yeah.
Nice!
It was literally right above where I was looking.
Nice!
Yeah. So he goes, I'm gonna clock out and relax for a little bit. He goes, wait a second. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, try it.
Good work. Good work.
That was
Good work. I don't know what you did, but good work anyway. You feed him, amongst other things. He's like, she sexes me up real good. Anyway, so Scotty's done at the bar, and you know what happens after he gets done with the bar?
I come home with a twink.
I was gonna say BJ's, but Yes, that's also a valid answer. Oh God, we're
Alex, I'll spend $500 on We Don't Give a Fuck What Anybody Thinks.
I thought we were watching our mouth.
I slipped up once. Oops, sorry.
Last time something slipped up, you had to wipe your face.
I don't have to wipe.
Cool.